Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan. For this video I'm going to be filming my glow up because I've been really sad over the past couple of days. I've not been sleeping very well, so I'm bored of it and I'm having a glow up. So I wanted to bring you along, and this is my glow up video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up. And to see more videos on like fashion, beauty, glow ups, hauls, make sure you click subscribe down below. Hi, so I'm actually in bed and I have to whisper because it's like 6:15 in the morning. I've not been sleeping very well lately. It gets to like 6 AM and then I'm super tired and I get to sleep. I say I'm gonna wake up at 10, but I never do. I always wake up at like 1:30, but it's 6:15 and now I'm getting tired. It is a Sunday today, so I can probably get away with sleeping, but I did want to film my glow up video today and I don't really want to be super tired, but then I don't want to wake up super late to film this video. I'm filming this start part at 6:15 to make a disclaimer. Will I make the video or will I not? It's a great start to this video. I keep thinking, shall I just get up? But I don't want to wake everyone up because it's Sunday. Any suggestions? Let me know. But you'll see my next clip what actually happened. I'm probably gonna get to sleep. So maybe this is good night. Maybe it's not, but good night. Good morning. Most definitely not morning. I did not stay awake. I decided that I was going to sleep. I set an alarm for 10 o'clock. It's 2:30. So I'm awake. My mum made me this chocolate pan. It looks kind of gross, but it's not. It's actually really nice. So I'm going to eat that and then I'm going to take a shower. I think that's going to be my first step of my glow up. I want to do my face mask though before I take a shower. I've decided I'm going to stretch my glow up over 2 days. So I'm going to do my prep today and then tomorrow I'm going to full blown do my makeup, do my hair, make myself look nice and I'll feel better. Stay tuned. I just wanted to leave this in here because I just thought it was so funny because I look like I'm scared of someone out the window, so I enjoy me eating my chocolate pan in the morning very fast. It amused me. We're back. I'm going to be doing a face mask before I get in the shower. Usually I leave my face mask on way too long. I've decided I'm going to use this green tea and walnut face mask today. I'm going to wipe my face first. So this face mask is green, I believe. Yep, I've used quite a lot of it actually. Oh, it's freezing. That's the only thing I hate. It's kind of nice, but it's kind of not nice. If anyone has any good face mask recommendations, comment them down below because I want to get some new ones. The only ones I have at the minute are the Revolution ones, which I got in the first lockdown. So how's everyone coping with lockdown anyway? I know it's difficult for some people. Well, it's difficult for all of us actually because it's a big change in it and I don't think anybody expected in the first one that we'd have to do it again after that. But if anybody needs anyone to talk to, just drop me a message and I'll talk to you. We can talk about literally anything. If you're having a good day, if you're having a bad day, we can just talk. Do you ever put a face mask on and just think you look better with the face mask on than without it on? I've got like a form that I need to fill in and stuff, so I'll do that. I've got my mask on and then we'll get in the shower. I'll show you what products I use in the shower, on my hair, on my body, what I do to prep for my tan. So I'm gonna get some work done and then I'll be back when I'm gonna take a shower. Right, I'm back. I'm ready to get in my shower. I've done my work. So I'm gonna show you now, I take my face mask off in the shower. I'm going to show you now the products that I use in the shower for my hair, for my body and everything. First I use this Pantene 3-in-1 shampoo conditioner treatment on my hair and I use this as shampoo. I use this Pantene conditioner, it just matches this one. But it's the conditioner, and I use this razor from Hey Istrid. This was gifted to me, so I'll tag them in the description below. Check them out on my Instagram and on their Instagram as well. And I just use whichever body wash I've got to scrub my skin, so probably this one right now. I'm pretty sure this is a men's one, but I also have this exfoliating body wash for if my skin's feeling dry and I don't want to like tan over my dry skin. I'm going to take a shower and then I'll be back in my room to show you what I use after my shower. My hair and my body, like my pre-tanning routine to glow up. Hi, so I'm back from my shower. I'm in a rush because I'm going to get McDonald's but I'm going to show you what I do to my hair. So this is my hair fresh out of the shower. I've had it in a towel for about 10 minutes and I'm just going to brush through it gently. Brush my hair through. Ow. And then I take the Unique One coconut hair treatment, and there's not enough left in it for me to use a sprayer, so I just take that out. It literally comes out like this because there's none left in this bottle. And then I just rub that through my hands, and I use the first hand to put it all over the top of my hair and just like go through like this, because I don't like a lot of product in the top of my hair. Basically I just want it to be soft, and I just rub them together again and go through like the mid part of my hair with that hand. And I take the rest and I put it through the ends. And I just make sure that I rub it through like all of the hair and then just brush through it again. And then I use the Tresemme heat defense spray and I just like spray it all over my head. I'm going to be drying my hair later and styling it tomorrow, so that is it for my hair. I'm going to leave this to air dry for a while I have my dinner, and then I will blow dry it, and then I'll come back and you'll see my hair blow dried. Also, I'm thinking about getting the other side of my nose pierced, so please let me know whether you think it'll suit me or not, and I'll be back once I've dried my hair and everything. Chicken wrap and chips, and I got Cokes. If you don't get Coke from McDonald's, then if you get any other sort of Coke, then we can't be friends. I don't understand how these are better though, to be honest. So I'm back. I actually let my hair fully air dry by itself, so it has been a few hours. It's still a little bit damp at the back underneath, but it's pretty much dry. This is my natural hair. So now it's time to fake tan. So I'm going to be using the Aveeno moisturiser to put on all the like the dry point. I'm just going to be using the moisturiser, this on my face and no fake tan. So on my body I'm going to be using a mixture of the Bondi Sands Dark, which is my favouriteest tan ever, and the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark, which I got for Christmas, but I tend to use this one on my legs because my legs don't really take the tan as well. And then I'll use this on my feet, on my hands, on my chest area as well, and then obviously this on my face. I'll get back to you when I'm fully tanned and you'll be able to see the difference, but this is the before and then I'll show you the after when I'm done. This is my arm before I've put any fake tan on, and this is after, so I hope you can tell the difference. Well, you obviously can tell the difference. It does look kind of green right now. The Ultra Dark tan does tend to look green until you wash it off, and then it goes brown. So my tan is done. I just have my hair up in a bun until I get into bed. As you can see, my neck and hands and everything. I don't put tan on my face obviously because it gives me a rash, so I just put some of that moisturiser on, and I will update you in the morning when I've washed it. Right, it's currently 4:30 AM and as usual I'm still awake. My tan has developed on my face, also on my hands, on my body. Could wash it off, but everyone's in their bed, so you know, I don't really want to wake anyone up. I've literally just been making TikToks for the past hour and then realising that no one's going to see them because everyone's in bed. I wish there was someone awake for me to talk to. Good morning, it's 12 o'clock. I woke up at 11 o'clock, so I actually forced myself to wake up this morning. This is what my tan looks like this morning. It's not green anymore, it is actually brown. Please ignore the mess of my room, but this is what my tan looks like this morning, all over my body. And then this is the difference between my face. I put the tanning cream on my face, so the difference would have been so much different if I didn't put it on, but it has actually worked quite well on my face. So I'm going to jump in the shower now and I'll be back to do my makeup. I might answer some questions or something while I do my makeup. I probably won't show you my whole makeup routine though, just because that takes a long time. So right, so we had a minor setback. I just cried, but it's fine. I've decided I'm going to straighten my hair only because I want to go out and take pictures today, and it starts going dark at like 4:30 now, so I don't want to be taking too long to get ready. This is what my hair is looking like today. So I just need to straighten it out. To be honest, I don't even hate my natural hair, but when I go outside with my natural hair it gets right frizzy, so I can't just leave it. See what I mean? It just goes a bit frizzy once I've brushed it. If you watch my hair tutorial, I show you how I section my hair. I just do it the same every time. I'll probably do like the bottom bits and then do my makeup and then do the rest after, so I don't have to put it back in a bobble, because then obviously it'll get a dent in it, so I'll do like the bottom and then I'll do my makeup and then I'll do the top. So I've straightened my hair literally to here, and then that's my last section, but I'm gonna leave it up until I've done my makeup, because usually I put a headband on, but obviously if I straighten it and then put a headband on, it's gonna put like a kink in my hair, so I don't want to do that. My hair is so soft today, I don't know why. I've actually turned my ring light off to film this last bit of me doing my hair, only because I needed to put my phone on charge. Also, I'm just going to split my hair down the middle, because that's where I usually have my parting. Does anyone else literally despise doing the hair? Like, I want to cut my hair so short, but I feel like, you ever just feel like, oh, you want to cut your hair short for like one day and then have it long again? I know that's not possible unless you have extensions, but like, sometimes I just wish my hair was short, but then I just think I'll probably have to do more with it because it'd be short. I also want to mention that I'm sorry if the camera kept moving, it's just because I was like, I had to like call some people and stuff while I was doing my makeup, and then obviously the mirror is literally right behind my ring light, so I had to move it out of the way so I could do my makeup as well. So once I've straightened all of my hair, I literally just, can you see like my hair is really like wispy, I don't know why, so I just take some conditioner on my hands and I just rub it in, and then I just like go down my hair like this and just like lay it down flat. Also, I didn't put any eyeshadow on today, so do we like my makeup or not? If you're thinking about cutting a fringe in lockdown, just don't do it, because I did it in the first one and now I'm left with this, like just random pieces of hair. But yeah, this is what I look like, so I'm going to choose my outfit and then come back for the final reveal. Right, I've chosen my outfit, but we're in a rush because it's going to rain and I need to go out and take pictures, so I'm going to send you up there. So I've chosen this brown top from Zara, which I might do a Zara haul because I bought loads of stuff, and then these wide leg jeans I bought, they're super long, they're actually way too long for me, so they cover my feet. And then I bought this new coat, so I'm going to like wear this, it's really big, it's the same one that Molly May's got, love that for me. And then I'm going to take my pictures like, I'm going to be like, on my Instagram, so if you see the pictures of me on my Instagram in this outfit, comment that you're from a YouTube video. Also, I'm going to wear these shoes, these big chunky shoes, because my jeans will trail on the floor if I don't wear these, so that's what I'm wearing. And I'm going to go to Costa and get a coffee so that can be in my hand, because I'm not taking a bag. So this is my outfit of the day. I hope you like it. I really like it. So that's the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed it because like I've grown up now and I feel better about myself. I really do think that like just showering, doing your hair, doing your makeup, it makes you feel better. So if anyone feels rubbish, give it a go. It's really helpful. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click the button below to subscribe and see my future videos. I post every Sunday at 6 PM and I'm going to start posting on Thursdays as well, I think. I put a poll on my Instagram, so make sure you go and check out my Instagram. All my socials are linked below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!